What is going on, guys? So today we are back for another video on youtube.com. Before I start, I just want to say, if you enjoy my videos, make sure to hit that like button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe if you have not already. I know I've got some people that watch all my videos but are not subscribed, so what the hell are you doing? Just hit the button, hit the bell, get notifications, and let's get started. So here's my dashboard. You can see it's black now. I threw a coat of paint on it. Some guys made a good point in my comments from my last video that I should probably seal up the body filler. So I just threw a light coat of black paint on it. And I was about to go ahead and start putting on the adhesive in the flocking. And I had bought a paint roller in order to roll on the adhesive. And in the directions it says no foam rollers, use a roller that has like a 1/4 inch nap. So I'm gonna go run to the store real quick and go grab another roller, and then I'll be right back, and we can start taking care of this thing. Alright, I'm back from the store. I picked up a couple of things. I'm not sure where I put them down. Wow, way to be prepared, Spencer. You're good. So I got a drop cloth, I picked up a glove on accident, and a small roller with a 1/4 inch nap. It was like $2. $2 for each of them, actually. It was less than $5. I picked up a drop cloth to put on the floor in here because the flocking, I only have a certain amount of it, and I'm pretty sure I have plenty because this is a really small dashboard. But whatever falls on the ground, you can pick it up and reuse it. I don't have a flocking applicator, but from what I've heard, a lot of times it works just as good, if not better, just picking up a handful and throwing it onto the adhesive. So I'm gonna do it that way, so my hands are fairly clean, which is pretty odd for me. But I guess I'm gonna do it on this stool because on my little rack there, I can't get it to sit right to where I can get the bottom side of everything. It wants to sit to where I could only do the top. So I'm gonna lay out that drop cloth and use that stool, I guess, as my stand, and then start rolling on the adhesive. Alright, so you only have 15 minutes from the time you apply the adhesive, so I slapped it on there, a real thick coat as quick as I could, and then just threw those fibers on there as quick as I could as well. Timer just went up for 15 minutes. You're supposed to, once you get it on there, you're supposed to take a clean roller and roll it on there lightly, I imagine, to sort of make sure they're all the fibers are touching and everything. So I did that as well. Now we can wait for 15 hours or 12 hours or something before I get to shake it off. So it's got to sit here for that long, unfortunately, because now I'm super antsy. I'm like, I want to see it, I want to see what it looks like. But that's sort of part of it. If I don't do that, then I may as well just not do it at all, because then it's going to look like garbage. So I'm going to let it sit. This drop cloth situation worked out well. I can sort of pick it up, it'll all go to the center and then recover most of it, and then I have more for if I ever want to do it next time. I actually have plenty. This didn't really use that much, so I'm going to clean up a bit and try to move this over so I can keep working on other stuff besides this, but yeah, now we just wait. Today is the next day. As you saw, I shook off the dash and it looks pretty good. There are some imperfections on it, some clumping and stuff. I think it might have been a good idea to sift the flocking before I went into it like that. The directions I had didn't say anything about that, so I didn't know about it. But looking online, that looks like that could have been a good option. But anyways, I'm still happy with it, especially compared to what it looked like before. It looks just loads better. So here it is.
Nice.
There you have it. That's how it looks. Notice I was doing some interesting filming there, trying to block off a certain part of my dashboard because there's something installed that I don't want you guys to see until the next video because it gives away my clickbait. So you guys will have to tune into my next video in order to see what that is all about, but that's gonna be it for me today. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, leave me a comment, all that good stuff. Let me know how you think it came out. I'd say for whatever I ended up spending, 30 bucks or whatever, that was worth it considering a new dash pad is $600 I think for a reproduction one and well over $1,000 for an NOS one. So yeah, pretty good deal. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video where I'll be working on more interior stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.